Hi, this is Max Drake. I just want to follow up the last video regarding the few little extra things that I wanted to do. Now, as I said, based on my previous ones, I have issues with people knowing how to use the scanner on their phone. So this is one alternative. The other one that I've done is I've sent up an auto reply to send a text through to this number. So if somebody texts this number just with 555 in it, they get an auto reply with the link coming through. The other one that I've done is I've also got the email here, and if they put in the subject line 555 and send, you'll get an auto response with the eCard link in there. The other way that once you actually have the link, you get into the link itself here, and inside the link, what I wanted to do was to give a VCF, so a V card, to actually add straight into your contacts. Now this does it on a different thing. So this will go through, it will download this file, and when you press on the file, it will ask, well, my Android phone asks me if I actually want to add it to contacts. If I click on it here, this is what happens through here. It says, what should I do? I'm going to open with Thunderbird and I'm going to go OK. And then it's a new contact. Do I want to add this contact all the way through? So it's got the information that I want in here. So here's the contact information coming through. And one of the things which I've done through that, where's that gone now? Chat, photo. It doesn't come through on this one. Oh, on the mobile one, it actually has two web pages. It has not only your emails, because that's sort of got the private and the address stuff which comes through as well. I think, no, that comes through, the address comes through here. Here, you see the web page comes through here. So therefore, I've got my Glide app link coming through. Now that's coming through, and that's trying to put it into my email address one, so I don't actually want that. But on the Android, it actually just comes through and puts it into my contact list, and it allows me, and I got a Huia type phone, it allows me to then touch that Glide app once, and that then fires up a web page as well. So not only could I actually embed that onto my, or click that to add it to my favorites and put it on my screen, but I can also just go into the contacts and click it through there. So that's quite handy for doing that. Now the way that I did that V card is that I got this vcardmaker.com, and I just filled out my details through into here, and at the end of the day it creates a little V card for you, and it just displays the information in the V card there. So that's actually the file that it creates. Now on this one here, I did a thing where I uploaded it initially, and I've just blown it away, to I wonder if I can undo that. If you see here, it comes through, just download that. Oh no, it is, but actually it was a bit odd. I found it a bit odd when I actually uploaded it onto my apps guys. So what I ended up doing was I put it onto my own server. If I just go into that, so that's the card, that's the information, and that's what it generates. And if I go into my we'll use that one there, and that's what it looks like. I'm just reading that in Notepad++, so that's the information that I did, and I ended up going through and tweaking a couple of things out of it. But coming through at this point here, I've got a URL that comes through, which is the Glide app one, so that I can fire that off. So that created that with the vCard maker in the and I'll put this in the link for the data like that. So again, as a completeness from the point of view, if they can get the app onto your phone, then they can actually push the V card into their contact list through there. Plus there's also this, if you've got this popped up, you can either just say, you can display that to them, or you can say display that to them, or if they know how to use the barcode scanner or QR scanner, they can use that. So that's three methods of actually doing it. Or the alternative as well is you can actually just copy the link and email that onto them as well. So those are the three methods that I'm quite pleased to actually have added on to those things there. So now I think I'm quite happy with leaving that there. Most probably I'd want to play with a couple of the images. To tidy some of those up, but overall I'm very pleased with all of the things that it now has and the features that it has in there. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. If you found the video useful, can you give it a thumbs up? Thank you very much indeed.